In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your monitor profile on your GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Edit tab at the top, and then you want to go down and select where it says Preferences. And now you want to locate Color Management on the left panel here. And then on the right side, you want to go where it says Color Management Display, Monitor Profile. Click the drop down, and then you can select a color profile from a disk. Go ahead and locate that wherever it may be on your computer, and then you would open up that color profile, and that would be about how you would change it pretty much. You can also reset the color management settings as well up here at the top, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.